What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this video I will explain you how you can create a function which will return your name with the message. Let me show you how.
Hey myself Betty, I'm Lakshit's assistant. I make sure that his videos are helpful to you. Please tell me your video experience in the comment box so that I can tell Lakshit to improve his videos. And I'll keep your extra care if you subscribe to his channel and also press the bell icon. I and Lakshit will really appreciate it if you complete this 10-second task. Thank you.
First we will enter our name Lakshit. It will say hello Lakshit. How you can create this? Let's begin. So first we will create a function dot message msgz. We'll then put a parameter here. Then we will create a function called message equals to f. We will put this f outside the this I don't know what to call this. Then we will put a message here. Let's say hello. Then put a space. Then use this curly brace. Then put this variable here. We will then return the message. Then to get the input from the user, we will first create a function. Then put input, enter your name, then we will simply print message.x. Let's see what we will get. Hello, la la la. It will return this. Let's see what if we put message here. Hello Lakshit. Hello MSG. How are you? Lakshit. Hello Lakshit. How are you? So in this way you can create this chat box. So thank you. Meet you in the next tutorial.